Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So tonight I'm making that viral feta pasta with fresh cherry tomatoes from the garden, olives, and some fresh spinach. There's garlic in there. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. I had this in the oven, all mixed together. Oh, there's mushrooms on one side too. I had this all mixed together and I put it in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. And this is what it looks like after it. So there's olive oil drizzled underneath the pan and then on top. And I'm about to do the pasta. Okay, so we have, oh, look at that. That looks so good. Oh my God, it smells so good, you guys. Okay, I'm just gonna mix this up. I'm gonna add some fresh basil to this too. There seems to be a lot of olive oil in there. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, it'll mix up. So I put about 8 to 9 ounces of feta cheese in there. And I'm just gonna mix this up and I will be right back. Okay, so we are back. I'm taking some of the olive oil out of here because it just looks like too much oil. So these are garden fresh tomatoes. Take a little bit more of this out of here. Okay, I'm gonna put the pasta in here and I will bring you right back. Okay, so we have the pasta in here. I'm gonna mix this all up. So this is 12 ounces of pasta that I put in here. I'm just gonna keep mixing. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. I should have put this on a tripod so you guys can get the full effect of this. Really smells good. So I've been wanting to do this for a while. And I made it with rotini, spinach, carrot, and then regular pasta. There is some fresh garlic in there and also some minced garlic that I had in the refrigerator. Look at that, you guys. Oh, that looks amazing. So I had some sun-boiled tomatoes, some grape cherry tomatoes, some cherry 100 tomatoes. I think that's it for the cherry tomatoes. Oh no, the black cherry tomatoes. I had black cherry tomatoes added to that as well. Looks really good. So this is for 2 people. Oh my gosh. So this is a pasta that we're going to be having for a while. I should have made some sausage to go with it, but I did make garlic bread. So let me serve this up and I will be right back. Okay, so here it is in the plates with some fresh basil on the plates. Let me get the garlic bread. This smells amazing. Oh my gosh. Here is the garlic bread. So I have a little bit of Italian seasoning in my cup here. So I'm going to add this. I already put some Parmesan cheese on it. I'll put a little bit of some Italian seasoning, my mix. Some of you guys are going to be lucky enough to get that because I've added that to your packages, the ones who have one. This is what's left. Crazy. And here's the garlic bread. Let me cut that. Okay, there you go. Finished product, you guys. It's delicious. If you haven't tried this, try it. It's really good. If the pasta sauce is a little bit too dry for you, add a little bit of pasta water and just mix it in with the pasta. It's really good. You guys are going to love this. Try this. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, and so simple. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. More to come. Blueberry jam, Tuesday, tomorrow. Thanks for watching.